Hey folks, Randy here with Doing Cut and Trim. So it's oil changing time, and I want to make a upgrade to the mower that because I always put off oil changes because I don't like doing it, and I'll show you why. Currently, when I want to change the oil, I have to go underneath the mower because the plug is right here. So that's where I got to go to change the oil. Go and jack the mower up, put the pan underneath it, and then undo the plug, drain it. But I'm laying on the floor, it's a pain, I don't like it. But if we go over here, there's another way to drain the oil. There's a plug right here, and that also, you can drain the oil that way, but obviously that would make a huge mess. So what we're going to do today, we're going to drain the oil and then plug the plug that's on the other side, put that plug back in. Then the plug that's on the same side as the car, we're going to take that out and install this bad boy. So I saw this on what's the guy's channel, Donnie Boy 73, I think. He's like the biggest small engine repair channel on YouTube. So I saw him do this with his, and I was like, dude, I want that. So of course, I'm going to use a flow. So now I'm laying on the dirty floor, and I'm gonna take all the oil out. And there we go. Okay. Ugh, that oil does not look good. Ugh. So we'll let that drain, and then we'll get started on the next part. It's in such a weird position. I might get to use my Knipex. See if I can get him in there. Actually on there really tight. Oh, I felt it move. I don't know what I felt move. That didn't move. Just because they don't call you dumb doesn't mean you're smart. There's still a bunch more to be made. I should have let this thing drain a lot longer. So if all goes to plan, this should just thread right in there. And then we wiggle this hose on. Crying out loud. Come on. There you go. Perfect. So now, when I need to do an oil change, just go like that. And then, just pop off the cap. That's perfect. So now when I need to do an oil change, instead of having to climb underneath the machine, just pull that hose out. I don't think it's actually going to quite reach the pan, so I can figure that one out. But no, that's not. And pop off the cap, which I can definitely do one-handed, no question. No question, no question, no. Yeah. And let it flow. It's pretty cool. It's gonna be so much easier.